So this is a module to charge 18 6 LiPo batteries. It can charge up to 3S. So if we can see 3S and 4S. So this module is for 2S as it is marked here, and 4 ampere. So now I will use this module to charge these two cells that are in series. This module is only to charge when the cells are in series connection, like this battery holder. It is a series connection. So now I will install this module here so that I can directly charge these cells instead of using a separate charger. I will use this module. I used hot glue until this silicone glue dries up as it is sliding, so this hot glue will prevent it to slide. So you only have to use this glue as it will dry out. It is good. Hot glue will not work as this module will get hot and the hot glue will melt and will not hold on. Only this 704 glue will hold on, but it needs some time, at least 12 hours or at least few hours to get dry. So this hot glue is just temporary, so that it does not slide. This is a 5 volts and 2 ampere charger. It is a fast charger I used for my Samsung mobile. So when I connect this, it gets very hot. Let me show you. It is getting very hot. Now this is a 5 volts and 1 ampere charger. So when I connect this, it does not get that hot. First let it cool down a bit, then I will check. Before I could not put a finger for long here. This will get very hot with this fast charger. So with this 1 ampere charger, it is not that hot. So you will need to have a 1 ampere charger, 5 volts 1 ampere I think, so that it does not get very hot. Now it is showing that it is charged and it is not hot.